How to fix do not disturb keeps turning on in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sound and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. Now here you can see the option schedules. Now click on it, and if you turn on your schedule do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your schedule do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on system. Now click on reset options and click on reset app preferences. Now click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.